so we're coming to see waterfalls. I think we're gonna hit about 5 of them maybe. It's pretty cool. Look at that little cove down there. Oh.
It does look like silver.
Look how wide around that is, guys.
I know. I wish I could capture it. Hold up.
Like your eye just can't register it all.
Yeah, my camera can't either. I'm trying to show you guys how wide and open this is.
Like it tries to, but then it's like
Oh, my eyes!
like if you look up here, your eye tries to hook like in and out. What are you doing?
We'll go back over here. What are you doing, Andrew?
There's a trail. It goes down to the...
Let's stay on the top.
No, I'll try this again.
Not waiting too long.
They found
Have
a
him go
big
top, go there.
tree.
Go ahead, Tristan. You have to listen to Andrew, though.
Alright.
But it looks like there
All you
would
want
be
to do
something.
is just go up these stairs right here? Yeah?
Go ahead.
It's so cool. I want to go up there.
Sit back there.
Yeah, like
Go ahead. The trail.
We're on a bridge.
Oh, breathe.
It's cool. Yeah, we're at the top of the waterfall. Waterfall. Oh wow, I'm so tired today, guys. Hold on, I'm gonna go up here for a second, really carefully. There we go. There's a cove down there. Oh, I love coves. Yeah, it's so cool. Oh, I look so tired. Okay, you guys can look at the nature instead, it's fine. Ooh, it's a big waterfall. That's the other part of what you guys just saw. Cool. Oh, yes, we get to walk here.
Why don't we wait there?
Yeah. I don't know if I should film during that. You might get wet, guys. Maybe I'll film in a drier
The
spot.
trail that leads to the cave.
Yes! I'm so excited! The cave's all the way over there. Yes! Cool! Oh my gosh, yes. Hey guys, look at cute! We just walked under the waterfall to the cave.
Yeah, I want to go in there.
Cavern. I want to go in there too. Hopefully the path leads over there. Cool. Yeah.
Top is like 4, and this is like also where. Oh, those look like stars.
They kind of do, even though they're bird poop, I think.
Andrew. This looks like a triangle. And one
Triangle. Yay, suspension bridge. So we went on another walk after being in the car for a few hours. And it felt like it took a while to get here, but it's really cool. People are coming, so. Now we get to walk on it. Oh yeah, we're not going all the way down there, not this time. As cool as that looks, I can't do it.
Can't do what?
Go all the way down to the water.
Oh. You made it.
It's a miracle! It exists! That's a really cool waterfall.
Don't shake it.
So cool. The Tillamook Cheese Factory, guys! And that's a potato. It buys, no kidding, it's the Idaho potato thing. They're up there. Mike is behind me somewhere. I'll find him. We're at the Tillamook Cheese Factory.
We are.
funny story. Last summer, Mike and I were planning to come here too. So this worked out. There's a big cow on the front. That's cute. Are we waiting for your mom?
When I was a kid.
Okay, go. Sorry.
But when I was a kid, I went to that one over there.
Yeah,
And this is a new one. Opened
big
up.
fancy new one.
So this is going to be probably crowded.
Yeah, probably. Probably. Everything we've done lately has been very crowded. So, yeah. As normal. Moo. Okay.
I want to pet its nose.
I know, don't pet its nose. I think it's a cute way to welcome people to the Tillamook factory.
Hi, I'm a cow. I give you ice cream and cheese.
Fantastic. Okay, let's see this place. Ooh. I think that's supposed to look like cheese up there. I don't know where our family went. Gift shop. I'll have to... More cow. Can we find them? Or should we wait for your mom? Gotta go over here. It's pretty cool. Tillamook road trip. Cool, so here it is. I don't really want to show the workers as much, but we have this whole thing going on. Awesome, it's really crowded. I'm not gonna vlog much, sorry. I love you.
I love you.
Hi guys, we're at the beach again. I'm so excited for these boys though, because they really, I mean you too, because you don't get to go to these kind of, you said before like,
Not these kind of beaches.
yeah, these kind of beaches because they're different in Alaska, so it's the same thing for them. They're really excited.
Beaches in Alaska are not beaches, they're rocks. There's nothing but fields of rocks. You don't get sand. Look at this sand. It's beautiful sand. It goes through your fingers, all beautiful. Like, why? Because
I love
that's
this rock.
beautiful.
Yeah, so today is our final day basically on our trip. I mean, we stayed at a hotel last night really late. It was really hard for us to find one. Tillamook Cheese Factory was a bit busy, if you guys remember. So yeah, it was a long day, but it was good. And now we're going to the beach before we head back towards my dad's house, and they're all gonna stay there tonight. So that will be nice for them, for all of us, and we can finally sleep in. Whoa! No kidding. Okay. But no, it's been very fun. This is really cool. I want to go to the cove. I want to go to the cove.
Can I sit here?
I don't want to film too much because I don't want to drop my camera. I'd be really sad if that happened. Puppy! Ooh, this is deeper than I thought. That's cool. We should go look at the creatures, guys. I see a lot of mussels and these guys. Those are mussels. They're called something else. I don't know why I can't think of it right now. Oh, something's crawling on my toes.
I'm trying to go further down.
Hi, little beetle. Sorry.
Washington. Yeah. It's a different person.
There we go. Feel the ships. So, we're home now. It's officially the end of our part of the road trip. They still have ways to go, but I wanted to get a little clip because Mike and his brother Chris are like playing the guitar, and I just think it's really cute, so I'm gonna show you guys.
Just like every night has its dawn. Just like every cowboy sings a sad, sad song. Every rose has its thorn. There's the bridge. Though it's been a while now, I can still feel so much pain. Like a knife that cuts you, the wound heals, but the scar still remains. And that's when the electric guitar comes in. That's probably when you would come in.
Hi, Tristan.
Hi.
How are you?
Back to another verse. I'm gonna go back.
Okay, I had to show you guys that, but I'm gonna put the camera away now. We're just gonna relax because it's been a long trip, hasn't it? Yes, you can do the bunny ears. Bye bye.